Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are serious about saving money, building wealth, and securing your financial future, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about the 10 biggest personal finance mistakes that keep people broke. Some of these might surprise you, but avoiding these mistakes will put you on the fast track to financial freedom. And stick around until the end because I will share a bonus tip that could completely change the way you manage your money. Let's jump right in. Mistake 1. Not having a budget. One of the most common mistakes is not having a budget. If you do not track your income and expenses, your money will control you instead of you controlling your money. Here's a simple way to budget. Write down how much you earn. Track where your money is going. Use a budgeting method like the 50-30-20 rule. This means 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, food, and bills. 30% goes to wants like entertainment and shopping, and 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Just by tracking your spending, you will instantly see where you are overspending. Mistake 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. Too many people spend everything they earn, leaving nothing for savings or emergencies. The solution is to pay yourself first. Before spending on anything else, set aside at least 10 to 20% of your income into savings. If you feel like you do not have enough to save, start small. Even $20 a week adds up over time. Mistake 3. Relying too much on credit cards. Credit cards can be a great tool, but only if used wisely. If you are only making the minimum payment, you're letting high-interest debt drain your wallet. To use credit cards the right way, always pay off your full balance every month. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Only use credit cards for things you can afford. If credit cards are causing you financial problems, try using cash or a debit card instead. Mistake 4. Not investing early. A lot of people think they will start investing when they have more money, but that is a huge mistake. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you invest $100 a month at an 8% return, by age 60, you would have over $300,000 if you started at age 20. But if you wait until age 30, you will only have about $146,000. Start investing now, even if it is a small amount. Mistake 5. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise and suddenly you start upgrading everything. That is lifestyle inflation. A bigger paycheck does not mean you have to spend more. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, use that extra money to pay off debt, invest more, build your emergency fund. That is how wealthy people stay wealthy. Mistake 6. Not having multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is risky. If you lose your job, your finances could collapse. The solution is to start a side hustle. Here are some great options. Freelancing, selling digital products, investing in stocks or real estate. More income means more financial security. Mistake 7. Ignoring your credit score. A low credit score means higher interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even rent. To fix it, pay bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Check your credit report for errors. A good credit score can save you thousands in interest over time. Mistake 8. Not negotiating your salary. Most companies expect you to negotiate your salary. Not negotiating could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your career. To get the salary you deserve, research salary ranges for your role. Practice negotiation techniques. Be confident and ask for what you are worth. Even a small raise now will add up in future raises. Mistake 9. Spending too much on cars. Cars lose value fast, especially brand new ones. A new car loses about 30% of its value in the first year alone. Instead, consider these options. Buy a reliable used car. Keep car payments below 15% of your income. Smart car buying can save you a lot of money in the long run. Mistake 10. Not learning about money. The biggest mistake is not educating yourself about money. Wealthy people never stop learning. Some of the best finance books to read include The Psychology of Money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire, Next Door. The more you know, the better financial decisions you will make. Before paying bills or spending, always save first. Set up automatic transfers so that part of your income goes to savings before you even see it. Even saving 10% of your income can make a huge difference over time. And there you have it. 10 personal finance mistakes that keep people broke. Which mistake have you made before? Comment below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Do not forget to subscribe for more money tips. See you in the next video.